When you try downloading any app on your iPhone, you go to App Store and search for the app that you want to download. Suppose I want to download this app. So I'll simply tap on this and then tap here, and then it'll ask for authorization. If you have an iPhone with Touch ID, then you will be able to authorize using Touch ID. However, if you have an iPhone with Face ID, you'll get this option, double click to pay. So I'll simply double click here to power button, and then Face ID will recognize it and it will start downloading. But the problem is, it is showing an error, verification required, and you must verify your payment method before you make any purchases. So how do you solve verification required error on iPhone? That's something we are going to learn in this video. Hello everyone, Rahul here from TechReview and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to fix verification required error on iPhone so that you may make any purchases. So without any further delay, let's get started. In order to fix verification required error on iPhone, first you need to be on this screen that says verification required. Before you can make any purchases, you must verify your payment method. And once you are on this screen, you simply need to tap on continue. Then it will open a prompt asking you for approval of payment request. As you can see, I have already added a payment method here in this Apple ID. But in case you don't have any payment method added in your Apple ID, then you can simply add it. For that, let me show you how you can do that. You simply need to go to App Store and then tap on your profile picture again or on your Apple ID, and it will load an interface where you can manage various account settings of your Apple ID. Here you need to tap on manage payments and then you will get the options to manage payment methods. Currently I have added a payment method here, as you can see, but if you tap on add payment method, you get the various options like UPI, net banking, etc. But by the way, in case you don't know, let me tell you, with the recent changes in Indian App Store, you get only two options for Indian Apple ID, that is UPI and net banking. However, if you reside in other countries apart from India, you get various other options as well, like PayPal and credit card or debit card. So depending upon the payment method you have, you may simply add your payment method here, either UPI or net banking, and then further select the bank and simply follow the on-screen instructions. By the way, I'm not going to add net banking here because that takes more time as compared to UPI. UPI is simple, so I'll prefer adding UPI. I'll simply tap on this and then enter the UPI ID that I want to add to my payment method. This is how simple you can add a payment method to your Apple ID. And once you have added, you simply need to open your UPI app and approve this payment request. So what basically you need to do is, you need to tap continue and a prompt would appear in the UPI app that you have added here. As you can see, it is clearly written here, to complete this purchase, tap continue to receive a notification that opens your UPI app where you can approve the payment request. Then return to this screen to finish. Your request will expire in 5 minutes. So basically you need to tap continue and the payment request notification would appear in the UPI app that you have added here in your Apple ID. And once you approve the payment request, amount would be added and the paid app would start downloading. So that is how you can fix verification required error on iPhone and make any purchases easily. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, please hit the like button to let me know. And if you have got any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll try my best to help. And by the way, if you want to learn how to add funds to your Apple ID, make sure you watch this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off and I'll see you in the next video.